Morning students. Today we will study about some more process of separating mixtures from the liquid. Understand? So today we will study about distillation first and then separating funnel. Understand? So let us begin with the distillation. Understand? So first see, I have made this diagram. Now we will first study about the whole setup, how the whole setup is made. See here what happens. We will have a distillation flask. This round flask is known as distillation flask. Understand? So this is known as distillation flask. Understand? And on that distillation flask is kept on this sand bath. This is known as sand bath. Understand? This is known as sand bath. Understand? Sand bath. Understand? This is kept on the sand bath. Sand bath means balu. Understand? Sand bath means balu पे रखा गया है ये. Understand? So this is a distillation flask kept on this sand bath and it is fixed with the tripod stand. Understand? It is fixed with the tripod stand, and on that from bottom we will have a Bunsen burner. So what happens? We will have a Bunsen burner from which it will be lighted up. Understand? Now this distillation flask containing sand and water. Understand? It is now containing sand and water. The mixture of sand and water is contained in this distillation flask. Now here what we will have? This is a tube. This is a funnel. On that funnel what will happen? We will see on the top we will have a thermometer placed over there to record the temperature. Thermometer is placed over there to record the temperature. The whole setup is fixed with one more stand. Understand? On that stand all these setup is placed. Understand? This is the stand. Understand? Now what we will see, that we will have a opening on the mouth of the funnel. We will have the opening on the mouth of the funnel, and from that funnel we will see that a tube is passing from this Liebig condenser, and it will received on the other end of the receiver. This is a receiver. This is one more flask. Understand? And this is one more flask known as receiver. Here we will receive, here we will collect the water in pure form. Understand? So what we will see, that here we will have one more tube passing through the Liebig condenser. What is Liebig condenser? Liebig condenser is another type of condenser in which we will have running water. Understand? In which we will have a water running from one end to the other end. See here is a water inlet. Inlet means यहाँ पे एक नल से एक पाइप हम लगा सकते हैं. इसमें से क्या हो, इस पूरे कंडेंसर में पाइप के थ्रू क्या है, पानी फ्लो करेगा और यहाँ से इस वाटर आउटलेट से पानी निकल जाएगा. अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस इज अ वाटर इनलेट. फ्रॉम हियर वाटर विल come inside the Liebig condenser, and from here the water will remove out from the Liebig condenser. Understand? This process this will continue. Understand? So, and what happen here, we will have a receiver where we will collect the pure form of water. Now what we will see, now as soon as we will start lighting up the Bunsen burner. Understand? Now whole setup is arranged. Now what happened, we have lighted the Bunsen burner and placed here. Understand? Then after some time what happens, we will see that after some time temperature is start increasing in the thermometer. Temperature is start increasing in the thermometer, and because of which what happens, that sand containing water will warmed up. Understand? Will warmed up, get heat, maximum amount of heat it will gain, and it becomes that will be recorded in the thermometer. Now what we will see, that water from this sand and water solution, what happens, it will start evaporating out. Understand? It will start evaporating out and it will move through this funnel. Understand? So this flask to the funnel, and what happens, here we will have a opening. So that water vapors, what happens, it will move from, it will start rising from here. Understand? It will start rising from here, from this distillation flask, and what happens, it will move from here to this tube. Understand? It will passes through this tube, and here we will have a Liebig condenser. This is a Liebig condenser. It is placed over here just to make the liquid cool. Understand why? Because here it is collected in the form of vapor, and that vapor is now through this Liebig condenser, what happens? Because of the water inlet and outlet, water will start running from the whole Liebig condenser. What happens? That those water vapor which is passing through this tube, what happens? It will come in contact with those liquid, those water, and what happens? It will lose its heat and it will turn to the water molecules. And what happens? That water molecules will be start collecting in this receiver. Understand? By this we will collect water from the mixture of sand and water in the receiver. Understand? Sand and water is a mixture of heterogeneous type. Understand? So by distillation we can collect liquid in heterogeneous mixture also and in homogeneous mixture also. That is sugar and water. It is a homogeneous mixture. We can distill it out also. Understand? So this is the whole setup. By this we can by this we can separate water from the sand. Understand? Again I am explaining you what happens. We will have a distillation flask. On that distillation flask we will have a thermometer placed on its top. What happens? We will have a Bunsen burner by which we will light it up. A sand bath is placed here, which is known as in Hindi बालू. बालू का काम क्या है? यहाँ पे बालू हीट को क्या है, बहुत ज्यादा समय तक एब्जॉर्ब करके रखता है. अंडरस्टैंड? बालू हीट को बहुत ज्यादा देर तक एब्जॉर्ब करके रखता है. दैट इज व्हाई वी विल हैव अ सैंड बाथ. Understand? And what happens? The mixture of sand and water is placed on that distillation flask. We will have a tube passing through this Liebig condenser to the receiver. Understand? And what happens? What is the work of Liebig condenser? It allows the water vapors to cool and turn to the water molecule. Understand? Water vapor to cool and turn to the water molecules. Understand? So what happens when we will heat it up? Temperature will start rising in the thermometer. We will see that, and what happens? That sand and water mixture, what happens? It will start turning to the vapor slowly and steadily. Understand? When it will turn to the vapor, it will rises up, and through this tube, what happens? It will start flowing through this tube. It will start passing. And what happens when it will come to the Liebig condenser? We will see that because of this water inlet and this water outlet, what happens? Our water will always running through this Liebig condenser, because of which what happens? Water vapor will cool here and it will again turn to the water molecules. Now here we will have a receiver by which we will collect that water from the sand and water solution. Understand? Whole water will collected here, sand will remain here. Understand? By this we can separate sand and water from the solution. This is known as distillation process. Understand? Now second process we will have separating funnel. See here, this is one more process known as separating funnel. By this also we can separate two liquid. Understand? Now see here, one is oil on this. This is a separating funnel. Understand? This is known as a separating funnel tube. Understand? So this is a separating funnel tube, and what happens? We will have a mixture of oil and water on this separating funnel. We know that oil do not mixes with water. Understand? What happens? Water is more heavier. It will remain at the bottom of the container, and oil is a lighter. Oil is lighter than water. What happens? It will be floated on its top surface. Understand? It will be float on its top surface. So both the liquid do not mix with each other. They never mix with each other. What happens? They will remain separated out of in that mixture also. Understand? They will remain separated out. So this type of liquid is known as immiscible liquid. What it is known as? Immiscible liquid. Understand? Immiscible liquid. Understand? This is known as immiscible liquid. Understand? Immiscible liquid means when one liquid do not mixes with the other liquid. Understand? Like oil and water. What happens? Water is more heavier. It will settle down. Oil is less heavier. What happens? It will remain on the top layer. Understand? It will form a top layer on this mixture, and water will be at the bottom. Understand? But they do not mix. Understand? So this type of liquid is known as immiscible liquid. We will oil and water solution in the separating funnel tube. What happens? Whole setup is here. We will have a stand. By this stand, what happens? This separating funnel is fixed, and what happens? This is a stop cock. Stop cock. What happens? Almost it is a inlet and outlet solution. Understand? Inlet, it works to allow the liquid to flow. Understand? If you will tight it, the stop cock, if you will tight it, it will not allow liquid to flow. What happens? We will have a beaker placed here. So this is a funnel, this is a tube which is kept inside the beaker. Understand? Now what happens? When we will open the stop cock, when we will open this stop cock, what happens? A liquid is start flowing through the beaker. We will collect whole liquid in one beaker. Understand? Then we will, as soon as all water is collected in a beaker, understand, from this funnel, from this separating funnel, what happens? When all water is separated out, that means all water is collected in another beaker. Understand? Then we will turn off that stop cock. Then we will turn off that stop cock, and we will replace this beaker with the another beaker. Understand? And then what happens? We will again open the stop cock, and we will see that oil will collect on another beaker. Understand? So by this we can separate a liquid of two mixture. Understand? This is a liquid mixture. Understand? But are immiscible liquids. Immiscible liquids means when one liquid is not mixes with the other liquid, they remain separated. They remain separated in the mixture also. Understand? In a container they remain separated. Understand? So what happens? By this we can collect the different liquid in a beaker. Understand? What happens? We will just open the stop cock, and whole water will be collected in a beaker. As soon as we see that all the water molecules, droplets will collected in a beaker, we will stop the cock. Understand? We will turn off the stop cock. What happens? We will replace that beaker. We will put another beaker over here, and we will again open the stop cock. Now oil is collected on another beaker. By this we can separate liquid from the two liquid mixtures. Understand? Of immiscible liquids. So this is the work of separating funnel. So today we have studied about distillation and about separating funnel. Understand? Hopefully you all understand both the process. Understand? Now next we will study about fractional distillation and some more topics in our another next lecture. But I will hoping that you all are listening the video, following all my instructions. Understand? Reading from book also. Understand? Because only watching the video will not solve all the queries. You all have to study from book also. Understand? Watch video with very attention. Understand? And also pay attention towards your book also. Understand? Thank you.